Hi guys, I'm going to draw a six card spread for dream interpretation. The first card will interpret the meaning of the dream as to why you had the dream in the first place. If you weren't sure of what type of dream you had, then you can look for clues. That is what is shown by the meaning. So the first card I got was Two of Pentacles. This is the reason why you had the dream in the first place. So if you weren't sure of what type of dream you had, you can look for clues. If you feel that you are juggling between two situations after waking up due to the dream you had, then you can look for clues with the help of this card. This is the meaning of the interpretation. It's always better that we note down any hints or clues that we get from the dreams, so that you will not forget what happened during the dream when you wake up. So it's always better to keep a notebook or a diary next to the bed and note it down whenever you are awake. The second card I'm going to draw is to know the meaning of the dream. The meaning of the dream is shown by Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups shows unconditional love or true love. Maybe that is the personal meaning of the dream. It could vary from situations to situations or people to people. This is a general dream interpretation spread. It's a 6-card spread. You can tap into the subconscious messages also afterwards. But before that, I am trying to get if there are any messages from spirit guides. Now I am getting the Eight of Pentacles card. This is the message from a spirit guide or an ancestor or your higher self that was being delivered to you through this dream. Now Eight of Pentacles is a card which shows that you need to put in extra effort or hard work to build your dreams, to make your dreams come true, because the personal meaning of the dream is unconditional love shown by Ace of Cups, and you need to put in extra work. That is a message shown by your spirit guide, ancestors or your higher self to realize the dream, to make your dreams come true. Now, what energies or messages and themes are at play from your subconscious mind? This is shown by the card Seven of Swords. Now, this is purely what is being channeled from the subconscious. Now, the energies or messages or themes that are at play is a bit cumbersome or difficult, because it is showing Seven of Swords energy, which means you may be hiding or moving, deceiving people around you, which is what is happening in your subconscious mind. So these are the energies and messages or things at play in your subconscious mind. Now I will ask the guides to interpret if there is any specific message the dream is trying to tell you, or is there any lesson that it is helping you to learn. This is a message card basically. Is there any message shown by the dream? It is Five of Cups. Five of Cups shows that you are walking away from your true love to someone else or something else. So specific message that the dream is trying to convey you, or a lesson it is helping to learn is, instead of focusing on this unconditional love, which is the personal meaning of the dream, you are going away from the true love, which is the Five of Cups. So that is the message the dream is trying to help you learn. Now your situation will be, subconscious is very cumbersome and chaotic. You are trying to deceive or moving away from people. And the reality of situation is, you are, instead of focusing on your dreams, which is true love, you are moving away to something else. You are not focusing on what is there with you. Instead of that, you are moving to someone else. So that is the message that the dream is trying to help you learn from the dream. Now, what is the call to action of the real life application of the dream? That is Ten of Wands. The call to action, or is there any pitfalls that I need to avoid, shown by the dream, is interpreted as Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands is a card of baggage or heavy burden. Now, the dream is telling you that if you focus on Five of Cups, which is the lesson it is the dream is trying to help you learn. If you are not focusing on the current situation and moving to the true love, which is shown by the dream as your Ace of Cups, you will be able to release these past life baggage or burdens, and you can avoid those pitfalls, as your subconscious is delivering this Seven of Swords, which is a chaotic situation. It's a difficult situation. So if you follow your dreams, you may have to work hard to build your dreams, as you are juggling between two situations right now, shown by Two of Pentacles. But if you start working hard on that, you can move to your fulfillment of your dreams or wishes, which is shown by the Ace of Cups. I hope that was a good session. There is one more different type of dream analysis spread which is available. This is something that I have shown earlier also, but I would like to show this because this is going inside the dream to connect to the dream more often. I will show you the cards one by one. This is about 5 or 6 cards. First card will represent the dream. The card that is representing the dream is Eight of Cups, which is moving away from your current situation. Why this dream feels so intense? This spread will help you connect to the dream more often. There are people who get dreams regularly, and certain dreams are used for course correction or avoiding any pitfalls in life. Now, there is a difference between the visions that you get and the dreams that you have, because some subgroups are having a confusion as they didn't remember those dreams they had, but they remember the visions they have. So those visions you get are while you are in trance state or an awake state. So you need to know the difference between a dream and a vision. Visions you will not tend to forget, because vision is something that you remember. But the problem with people is that they get confused with visions and dreams. So dreams are something that you should note always, note down in diary or notebook, so that you don't forget that tomorrow when you wake up. So I show you a dream analysis spread, which will help you connect to the dreams that you see regularly. The first card was the card that represented the dream. It was shown by Eight of Cups. Now, why this dream feels so intense? There are some dreams which will feel the intensity of it more than others. I am saying why this dream feels so intense. It's shown by Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles is something that you are working or building together with a partner. So the dreams feel so intense as shown by the card, because it is a project that you are working with your partner. You are building something together with someone. That is why this dream is feeling so intense. Mostly, if you are doing something, building a partnership or a project together, these dreams are a reflection of those. What is the spiritual meaning of the dream? The spiritual meaning of the dream is shown by Two of Wands. This is a card of divination. Two of Wands is the spiritual meaning of the dream, and the interpretation of the dream is that this is for helping you connect to the divine self or the higher self within you. This is a card of divination. Normally, we use tools like tarot, crystals, or pendulum, these kind of things to divinate ourselves. This is to connect to our intuition and open to our psychic abilities, opening up our chakra systems, those kind of things. So the spiritual meaning of the dream is that this is in fact helping you connect to the divine within you. It is used for divination, shown by the Two of Wands card. Now, how this dream connects me to my waking life? How this dream connects me to my waking life? How this dream connects me to my waking life? This dream connects me to my waking life by having a situation which is very cumbersome around you, shown by the Five of Wands card. So the dream is telling you that Five of Wands is a card full of chaos or difficulties around you, so that you are finding it burdensome to move around. So that is how the dream connects to my waking life. Your waking life will be chaotic, or there will be disturbances or quarrel around you, which is shown by the Five of Wands card. Whereas the spiritual meaning of the card is actually divination, shown by Two of Wands. And the dream is so intense because you are building together on a project, which is good for you if you move away from the situation, to escape from the disturbances or the chaotic scene that you are in currently. Because this is the card that represents the dream. If you want to go for your project or what you are building together with your partner, then it is better for you to move away from the situation. Because the spiritual meaning of the dream is that it's helping you connect to the divine within yourself. Whereas the scene outside you is a little bit disturbing and troublesome. Now I will draw two more cards. First card is something I should remember about the dream. Something I should remember about the dream. It's Seven of Cups. You have lot of options to choose from the available things that you have in life, shown by the Seven of Cups card. So if you want, this is something that you can always remember, that the dream is telling you to choose from one of the several life options that you have around you. Now something I should let go about the dream. Nine of Wands. So the dream is telling you there will be a lot of confusion around your current life situation. The dream is telling you to let go of this confusion around you, shown by the Nine of Wands card. So you just need to choose from one of the several life options that you have currently, and simply move out of the confusion or the burden or the lack of clarity that you have around you. Because the spiritual meaning of the dream is that it is trying to help you divinate, you connect to your divine higher self or the divine within, and help you build a project together with your partner. For that, you need to move away from the current situation shown by the Eight of Swords card. And then you need to choose from one of the several options that is available to you in life in front of you, in order to move away from the burdens or lack of clarity of the situation, so that you can let go of these burdens and simply move forward by choosing one of the several options that you have in front of you. Because the waking life, the dream is connecting to your waking life, showing that you have a very chaotic and disturbing situation around you. You don't need to focus on that, but rather you need to work on building something together with your partner. That is what the dream analysis spread says. Now there is a difference between the interpretation spread and the dream analysis spread. This is for specific dreams that we feel connected to from our reality. And the first spread I took was a general dream interpretation spread. That is something to assess what the dreams try to convey, because we are in an altered state of consciousness, as there are dreams that might help you course correct yourself, or there will be messages from your spirit guide, ancestors, or your higher self. So we can use both of the spreads for general awareness. The first spread I show was more of a general spread, because there is a meaning and a reason for the dream, and there was a specific message the guides were telling you, and what energies were at play on your subconscious mind at that time. This is more like we are trying to interpret the dream by channeling your subconscious. Suppose that you are connected to someone or something from the past, or you might be having a connection with someone which is an entity attachment from your previous life, or something like a past life memory. Then there might be still imprints of those people whom you were connected to within your astral body. So through the dreams we will be able to understand if there are any specific message the dream is trying to tell you, or a lesson if it is trying to help you know. Suppose you had a connection with someone from your past, and that you have not still let go of the situation with that person from the past. Those imprints will be saved on your astral body. So you can go for healing of that particular trauma that is saved on your astral body, and let go of the situation completely and heal yourself from the past. And the dreams will tell you if there is any call to action or a real life application that the dream will try to convey, or if there are any pitfalls that you can avoid. Those things also the dreams will let you know, because some dreams are used for course correcting ourselves. I had a soul group who had a dream of seeing car crashes so often and somebody bumping from behind. So I told her to watch out during driving, because those could be messages shown to you to help you take preventive measures while driving, because this could be a message of something that may come in the future. So premonitory dreams are also there. So there are a lot of dreams which might throw you up messages or help you in course correcting your life. And the major thing is, if there are any connection with any specific persons or in other lifetimes or previous lives, the dreams will help you from unlocking your subconscious, whether there are any karmic debris or emotional healing that needs to be done from the connection you had from your previous life. Those things also dreams will help you unfold.